My name is Cruz. I've been here for almost 10 years now, and I started here as a service runner, and now I am the roadside technician. As a roadside technician, I go out and assist customers with either flat tires, jump starts, out of fuel, lockouts, batteries, you name it. I first learned about Feldmann Imports. I must have been 7, 8 years old. My father actually, who used to work here back in the late 90s, early 2000s. My favorite part of the job is being able to help others when they need it most. Whether it's getting to work, picking up kids at school, just seeing the customers being thankful for me going out and assisting them with their vehicle. Outside of work, I like to go out on bicycle rides. I like to go on all the trails around the Twin Cities. I'm also big into video games. I also just got back into the shooting range. The best vacation I've been on is probably Las Vegas. You can never go wrong with Las Vegas. The best advice I would give to someone new at the company would be to work hard, be a team player. Just ask questions if you have any. It doesn't hurt to ask questions. What makes me different from other people in my position, I'm actually the only person that does the roadside assistance here at Feldmann Imports. My proudest moment at work was probably buying my first Mercedes back when I was 22. I bought a 2009 COK Grand Edition. It's one of 500 ever made. 3 words that I would use to describe Feldmann Imports: friendliness, honesty, integrity. If I ever won the lottery, the first thing I would do is make sure my family's taken care of. My favorite, most memorable job that I've worked on here at Feldmann's is probably the auto show. Every year I get to go out and assist the auto show staff with wiring the cars to the ground, making sure they stay powered up. I'm pretty much their tech support. If I was stuck on an island, 3 things that I would bring probably be a first aid kit, a tent, hunting rifle. Why would I recommend Feldmann Imports to friends or family? Just know that they'll take care of you. We go above and beyond to make sure all customers are happy. Why is it important to provide excellent customer service? I believe that goes a long way. They'll let others know, and future generations, they'll always come back. That's one thing that customers will always remember is customer service.